up? It's your girl Nique back with another video. Today we're gonna be doing a video with girl Jalyn, y'all. Today we're gonna be handcuffing Nyyear and King together.
Y'all know when we come together, it's a bang.
It's a banger. We're gonna handcuff them for all day. See what they do. See how they. And y'all, guess what? I don't have the keys to these. I don't know where the keys is. So.
They just gonna have to find a way to get out. They gonna have to break some things. I don't know what they gonna do, but we just gonna make them look like they just like together and they flirting and they like they gonna just be so mad.
Can we tell them what to do?
Yeah, we should tell them. We should like torture them so bad.
We should just
like
make them run out of us and stuff.
Oh my god, yes, run.
It's gonna be lit, y'all. Make sure y'all like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Go subscribe to Nyyear and Jalyn. On the road to 2 million. Let's get it. Babe, close your eyes, I got a surprise.
Nyyear, you too, we got a surprise for y'all.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
We got a surprise for y'all.
Your eyes closed? Close both of your eyes. Why your eyes open?
I'm not open, I'm just saying why I'm closing my eyes though.
Yeah, what the white cow eyes though?
No.
Closer to the left.
Yeah, go closer.
Why the hell? Hold on, what the hell is this close to the left for what?
We finna surprise y'all. We're trying to be close together.
Yeah, we
Surprise with what though?
It's a surprise.
again. Close your damn eyes.
Y'all is cheating.
Y'all look like
We
twins.
cheating up, we don't know
We don't know what's going on right
Put your
now.
arms
I
out.
come to a surprise what?
Put your arms out.
I'm gonna show
Put your
you.
hand out, baby. No, put your hand out. Come on.
Put your hand out, Nyyear.
Put your hand out. Put it out so I can get it, so I can put it in your hand. Now you put your hand out. You can leave that hand out. You can put this in the
Yeah.
put the hand out. We're finna give it to y'all.
Y'all look like twins
It's
too.
gonna be so good.
What is that?
Stop playing, give me here, bro.
Alright.
My hands got
What it sound like? Sound like some chains or something?
Some jewelry.
What the hell is this?
Bro, what you got going on?
Bro, what the fuck, bro? We don't fight,
Come
bro.
on, bro. What is you, bro? What is you, bro?
Y'all look like twins. Now y'all stuck together.
Come on now, bro. My wrist.
Why y'all fighting?
Where the fuck kid,
Bro,
man?
what a kid, bro. Stop playing.
Bro,
Childish, bro. What is a kid, bro?
Oh my god.
That I don't have.
We don't know where the key.
Bro, where's the key, bro? Where's the key,
where the key at, bro?
We don't know. We don't know where the key is.
Hold up,
It's a new
my arm, bro.
challenge.
This shit hurt, bro. This hurt. You don't
He
move.
didn't come to my best bud for 24 hours.
We don't have the key. We don't come beat me up. We don't have the key.
Don't move like that, bro. Don't move like that, bro. You see my arm like this, bro? Don't move like that, bro. Don't move like that, bro. Where's the key at? Bro, move,
Wait,
not
I
move,
need the key
bro.
right here.
Where the key at? Give me the key.
Bro, where's the key at? Bro, come on, bro. Don't run, bro. Don't run.
My arm hurts, bro.
Bro, what are you doing?
Move!
What are you doing? Bro, my arm, hold up, bro. Take this. Where the key at? Bro, my arm, bro. My arm, hold up, bro. Damn, bro. Where the key at, bro?
These type of games.
Where the key at? Bro, watch out, Jalyn. Move, bro. Watch out. Where the key? Bro, where is the key?
Find it. Catch it if y'all can. Catch it. Catch it if y'all can.
Bro, hold up, bro. Bro, where's the key at, bro? Where's the key?
Watch out. Come on. Look, the key's right here.
Give me where the key at,
The key's right here.
Come on, bro. Where's the key?
Come here. I'm gonna show you. Where's that? Go ahead.
Where's the key?
Go ahead. It's outside. Go. It's on top of car. Go get it.
Can you go get it?
Go ahead. Go get it.
Why is that? Come on, bro.
Go get
the key.
it.
Go get the key right now, bro.
Go get it.
Go get the key, bro.
Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Oh my god.
Bro, what is you doing?
What are you doing, bro? My arm hurt. It's my arm, bro. Where's the key, bro?
Look, it's outside.
Hold up. Don't move like that. Don't move like that.
Okay, this is the scavenger hunt.
Now y'all gotta find it.
In the garden.
Now y'all gotta find it. Now y'all gotta find it.
Hold up, bro. Hold up. Bro, where's the key at, bro? Can I stop playing, bro? Can I stop playing, bro? Where's that key?
Why are you so quiet?
Where's the key, bro?
I don't know where the key. I don't have the key.
Same pace, bro. You gotta think smart, bro.
Yep.
But where's the key at? Come on, bro. Bro, I'm gonna have a bruise on my arm.
Come on, man. Stick to this off and stop playing with me, bro. Nobody got
You have to find it.
Ain't no
What you mean I can
find
find it?
Just find it. Peekaboo. Do y'all see it?
Y'all wanna do some stuff together while y'all already connected?
Bro, can y'all give us the key?
Okay, if y'all do what we tell y'all to do, then we gonna be out of key.
Yeah, y'all got to work for the key.
Bro, I'm not about to do all that. What
Let's
y'all
go
do
here.
is game
Come on.
good time, but just give us the
Come
key,
on.
man.
Come on. Let's go here.
Hold on, bro. Same pace, bro. You
Come on.
gotta go in my pace, bro. Where's the key at?
Come on. I need y'all to stand in the middle of this floor right now. I think you might want to see this. Y'all gotta turn sideways. Now twerk. Now twerk. Now twerk. Now twerk. Now twerk. Come on. Come on. Y'all some big fine women want to back the thing up. Y'all gotta twerk. Y'all gotta twerk.
Do what we tell you to do.
No, right, like right. Do it right. Right. Right now. Right now. Do. Don't worry about it.
So you saying, if we do what I say do, we can get the key, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We gotta do it, bro. Like, I need this key, bro. I ain't about to.
So Nyyear, you twerk first. And
What you mean twerk first?
twerk.
Bro, you gotta twerk.
Twerk. Twerk. One. No, pop that back. Pop that back.
I'm not doing it no more.
Here you go. I'm gonna show Nyyear. You can show King. Nyyear, you got like this. Pop your back. Pop your
I already
back.
caught it back.
Go ahead, do it, Nyyear.
Sideways.
Get off me, girl. I know you heard my phone.
Do that.
Chill out, bro. Don't do that. Don't. Why you hitting me, bro?
that.
I didn't look.
Pop,
I caught my back. Right now,
Okay,
Bro,
now
doing too much,
Nique show King what to do. Oh, she doing it with the baby.
You gotta do it, bro.
You gotta do it.
We gotta get this key. We gotta get this key.
No, do it.
We gotta get this key, bro. This is
How's it
sacrifice.
All right, now next thing, y'all get steps closer to the key, okay? Next thing, I need King to give Nyyear a wedgie.
Man, you got me messed up, man.
Do it now. Whoever got the tightest wedgie. Give a wedgie. Kaiser said, give a wedgie.
Hurry
Do it.
Chill out, bro. Just give us the key, man.
Oh my God. Yo, wait.
Let's go, bro.
This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning.
This is the beginning.
This is just the beginning. Okay. Now, I need one of y'all to propose to one, like the other.
Bro, why you guys doing all this game, man, bro? Why you guys doing all this, bro?
That's dead.
Do it.
Nah, do it, bro.
You gotta do it.
I'm not getting down there. You have to do it, bro.
Actually,
Watch this for this.
get us some snacks.
Yeah.
Get some snacks. Get some snacks. Y'all gotta feed each other.
Bro, what? Y'all doing too much.
Come on.
Y'all doing too much, bro.
Do it. Do y'all want the key?
Y'all made us twerk. Y'all gotta
Do y'all want the key or not?
Exactly. Giselle, what you think?
Y'all look so mad.
Now you gotta
Come out here. Come out here. Come out here.
Come on, hold up, bro. You gotta move without moving, bro. You gotta move without moving, bro. You about to bruise my arm, bro. You can't do do it like that, bro.
Tripping, bro. You being childish.
Open your mouth.
You open your mouth first.
Bro, you open your mouth, bro. Open your mouth. We gotta get this
Open
key.
your mouth.
We gotta get this key, bro. Come on, we gotta work together. We gotta get this key.
Open
Do
your
it.
mouth.
Do it.
You gonna have to let him put it all the way in your
Man,
mouth.
nah, I ain't gotta do it too much, bro.
Yeah, you gotta open all the way. Aww. Now feed him another one.
Feel.
Y'all not allowed to use y'all extra
Feed him
hand.
another one.
What you mean?
You're not allowed to use
Bro,
this
give me the
hand.
key. I don't give a damn what y'all
You're only allowed to use that
Can I
hand.
give us the key, bro,
One
please?
hand. You're not allowed to use that one.
Can I give us the keys, please?
No.
Go. Bro, why? Alright, huh?
No, bro, you been up there.
What you mean?
All right.
Flip it over.
What's the next challenge?
Flip over. You gotta get it.
All right. The next challenge is.
Bro, can y'all give us the key? Hold on. Can you please give us the keys?
Pour
I'm not going there.
half and half.
I'm not doing that shit, bro.
I'm not going there.
Half and half.
Take a shot.
I'm not taking no shot.
Come
I'm
on.
not taking no shot.
Get baby
I'm not
wasted.
taking
Like
a shot, bro.
y'all not leaving.
I'm not taking no shot. I ain't going
Oh, y'all trying to go stairs.
Take no shot. Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Give us the key, man. You give us the key.
I'm not taking no shot, bro. Give me, bro. What is y'all doing?
I'm not going for that at all.
No, I'm not going for it. I'm not going for it. You can't make me do
That's
that.
not reach, bro.
You can't make me do that.
I'm like, don't even bring it up there. Don't even bring it up there. Don't bring it up there.
We got some
If
baby
you
milk.
coming.
We got some baby milk going on, y'all. They better drink some milk. Oh, they gonna walk us out. Which room they in?
I will never get the key.
Yeah, I never go get the key. Which room? This one?
That's hot. I didn't put that air on, baby. It's hot.
This one? Are they in the bathroom together? Where they at?
They in here.
Open the door right now. Open the door right
Open
now.
it up.
Oh, so y'all don't want the key?
Y'all gonna be locked in here forever.
So, do y'all want the key or not?
Give us the key, bro.
All right, just come out.
Give us the key,
You
man.
gotta take a shot.
I'm not taking no shot, bro.
You have to at least
I'm not
taste
taking no
it.
shot.
You gotta take a shot of milk.
No.
You have to at least taste
Give you
it.
vitamins.
Come on, bro.
Come on.
Give us the key.
You have to at least. No.
Give us the key.
So you
Nah, I'm
said.
not going out the window, bro. Hell no, I ain't going out the window, bro. You better do this shot. I need that key. We need
I'm
a
not taking
key.
no shot,
Here.
bro. That shit-
But we have to, bro. We got to.
Take a shot.
Shot for the team.
I'm not taking my shot. I'm taking. I'm not.
No, but you still gotta take a
I
shot.
gotta take a shot, bro.
Ugh.
Y'all have to at least taste it.
Take it.
Take it. Take it. Take it.
Alright. It's hot in here. I don't want this fall. It's hot in here.
Oh,
Just seen you throw it away.
you just.
That shit was
You
nasty.
just seen
No.
you throw it away.
Now, King, you have to get some of Nyyear's. Y'all have to at
Bro,
least
why you
taste
just drink
it.
it? Just drink it, bro. You gotta drink it, bro. All right.
You have to at least
All right.
taste it.
Let's taste
The
it now.
fuck?
Let's taste it now. You got yours. Let's
You
go
gotta
drink.
take a shot. No,
Let's
you
drink.
cheater.
Shot now. Shot now. Let's shot.
Nyyear, you
I drunk
cheating.
mine.
Come
Look.
on, take it.
I drunk mine.
Pull yours out. Take
I
it.
drunk mine. Look.
Y'all are cheating.
I drunk mine.
Take it.
That was nasty as the heck.
Let's go downstairs.
I drunk mine, bro. Drink yours, bro. You gotta drink yours. I drunk
I'm
mine.
gonna waste milk. I'm gonna waste milk.
Hold up now. Hold up.
Beat him with the bag.
Just drink it. I'm gonna waste
Just drink it, bro.
Alright,
Just drink it.
Just drink it, bro. Nah, I ain't getting on. Shut up, bro. Bro, I already drink. Nah, what you?
So y'all just gonna
Wait,
keep passing
no.
milk?
Just drink it, bro.
Exactly.
I already drunk it.
Taste
Nah, I
it.
don't cheer for you. You gotta drink it. I drunk mine already. I drunk mine.
no.
I drunk mine
Why you
already.
ain't drink
Look how
none?
much
You
milk there
I
is.
cheated.
drunk mine.
Don't throw that on me.
I drunk mine already.
Bro, I'm not taking this, bro.
At least a little bit.
Why you trying to do this to us, bro? Just give us the key.
Don't put that
Hold
out there.
on.
So y'all cheating.
What you mean, bro? You gotta be oh, shoot, hold up.
You're breaking his arm.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Let's go. Come on. We gonna give y'all the key. Come on.
Give us the key, man.
Come on.
Alright, come on.
We just gonna give y'all the key.
Stop playing, bro.
Come on, we just gonna give y'all the key. Let's go. With his milk. Let's go. Come on.
They got me stressing out, but look at my hair, man.
Boys, come on.
Just give us the key, bro. What you finna get out of this?
Don't call me bro.
What y'all finna get out of this, though?
Whatever else we say.
Y'all being childish, man. I ain't never
Let's
been
go.
childish people like that.
Bro.
Fix your face.
Can y'all just give us the key?
Fix your
man?
attitude.
Can you just give us the key?
Do the last thing I say.
What's the last thing?
Come on.
You doing too much. Hold on.
Come on.
I'm not getting mad, bro.
Just give us the key, man. What are you doing? What are you doing, bro?
Come on.
How you going in my room?
Come on.
What is you doing, me? What
Come
you
on.
doing? Move, come on.
Bro.
Come on.
What are you doing? No, give me the key, bro.
Come on.
Stop playing. Give me the key, bro. The key is in your.
No, it's not in my pocket.
Where's the key, bro?
Come on.
Where the key at? What is you
Give
doing?
me the key, bro. Stop playing, bro. Give me the key, bro. Give me the key.
Where's
bro.
the light?
The light is right here. Give me the keys, bro.
Come on.
Give me the keys, bro. What are you
What
doing?
are you doing?
Sit in the tub.
I'm not sitting in the tub.
Sit in the tub.
I'm not sitting in the tub.
Sit in the tub.
Just give us the key.
Sit in the tub.
But just give us the key, bro.
That's the last thing. Sit in the tub.
I'm not sitting in the tub.
Come on, bro. What you like with my son?
Do it.
No.
Bro.
Oh, you gotta.
You got a boogie?
Well, okay, since y'all don't want to do that, y'all, this is the last thing. This is the last thing. I know your breast, one of y'all breasts stinking from those snacks, right? I need Nyyear to brush King's teeth.
Bro, I'm not about to brush his teeth, bro.
Come on.
I'm not finna
Come
brush
on.
his teeth.
Last thing.
You moving like that?
Last thing.
Bro, we moving like that, bro.
Last thing.
Don't move like that.
Last thing.
Don't move like that, bro. Don't move like that, bro.
Stop doing that, bro. That
Bro,
shit hurts, bro.
I'm not brushing his teeth either, bro.
Last thing. Last thing.
What you mean,
Come
bro?
on, y'all, bro.
Move like that, bro. What you mean, bro?
Fight. Come on. Come on.
I don't touch me then. Don't touch
Hey.
me, bro. Don't touch me, bro.
Where's your toothbrush?
What you doing, bro?
Where's your toothbrush? Where's your toothbrush? Go get it.
Don't touch me,
Go
bro.
get it.
Go.
One last thing. One last thing. Hey. One last.
Bro, get off me, bro.
Hey.
Get off.
Don't touch me, bro.
Hey.
That ride, bro.
Hey.
That ride with me, bro.
What you mean, bro? Don't go for me, bro.
You going for that ride?
Hey.
Bro, just sit there.
Hey.
Bro, chill out, bro. Just chill out, bro. Just chill out, bro.
Hey.
Chill out, bro. Just give me the chill out, bro.
Hey.
Chill
Hey.
out, bro.
Y'all brothers.
Bro, we gotta get the key, bro. We gotta get the key, bro.
Look.
Trying to do this, bro. Let's get the key, bro. Let's get the key, bro.
Bro, I'm not trying to.
Let's just get the key,
Bro, I'm
bro.
not trying to argue with you.
Bro, I'm not trying to argue. I'm trying to get the key, bro. My arm hurt, bro.
My arm hurts.
Bro, I'm about to have a bruise on my arm. You bro, stop moving. Stop moving, bro. I'm about to have a bruise on my arm, bro.
About your arm, bro.
Which eyes, bro? My eye on my arm, bro. Like, what is you doing?
What you doing? That shit, bro. What you doing, bro?
Bro, what is you doing?
What?
Bro.
Bro, let go, bro.
What? Let them out.
What you doing, bro?
Let them out.
Bro,
Alright, let me let y'all.
bro, eyes, bro. What are you doing, bro? Bro,
She about to let y'all.
Get up, bro.
She about to let y'all.
Come on, this is not the finish her.
She about to let y'all.
Where the key at? Go
I'm
let it out.
trying to let y'all
Bro,
out.
I'm taking out of this, bro. Where the key at? Get this out of
I'm
here.
trying to show you the magic trick.
What magic trick?
Get me off this shit, man.
Look.
I don't know why y'all so mad.
Exactly, you don't need a key.
Bro, look at my freaking arm, bro.
Oh no, this was a bad idea.
Bro.
Y'all did not have to fight. Don't.
Why y'all mad at us?
Bro.
Y'all could have sat down and watched TV.
Why you throwing muffin at me?
Look at my arm, bro.
That's y'all was watching.
Look at my arm.
Sorry.
You don't freaking sorry, bro. Sorry, gonna cut it, bro.
King, how you feeling?
We got us.
Oh, that's inappropriate.
Y'all might want to turn the air on. Y'all, Jalyn took it over because look at Kaza. He just want to touch everything.
Look at my hair, bro. Y'all think it's funny? Y'all think it's funny?
This is actually pretty funny to me. Kaiser! Ah! What you mad for? Look at Kaiser on your computer.
Bro, why would you?
Exactly.
You gonna let him do it? You gonna sit here and let him do it? Now my computer breaks.
Your daddy paying for it, Hunter, too. Make sure y'all like this video, subscribe. subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up. Shout out to Jalyn and Nyyear. Hit this video some whole bunch of likes. Look at the handcuff on. Hey, stop it! No! Don't touch her! I can't help you guys. Oh no!
You get tortured. My turn.
I don't know what to do, you guys. I can't get in it. My name is Vivian and I ain't in it. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up. We out, peace.